Hello traders, today in this video we are gonna talk about the basics of trend lines and how to draw ones, how to correctly draw a trend line. So first, the most basic thing, there can exist either a resistance trend line like this one or a support trend line like this one. Basically, a resistance trend line provides a resistance into the market, so a point where traders will sell, and a support trend line provides support, which are points where traders will buy. Now, the other thing about resistance and support trend lines is that resistance trend lines are formed by connecting swing highs on the chart, and support trend lines are drawn by connecting swing lows like this one. So basically, that's how you can draw your trend lines. Now, how many swing highs or swing lows do you need to have to draw a trend line? The most basic definition given by the popular author and trader Tom DeMark is that we need only two swing highs or two swing lows to form a trend line, which is okay. However, in my experience, I find that trend lines which are drawn from at least three swing highs or three swing lows tend to provide better, stronger support or resistance into the market. So, for example, here this trend line is not very strong. If we, for example, extend it like this, you can see that it didn't held much. Even if we go back like this, at this point we don't even have a trend line here, can hardly draw it. There is no pronounced swing high, although it is touching it here. It's not a very strong resistance trend line. I'm just showing you what I mean by that, which I said that I'm looking for at least 3 points to connect to consider a trend line in my trades. Like I'm gonna enter a trade based on it. So the case is different with this trend line. One touch here, two, and we have another somewhat pronounced here. So 3 touches of the trend line. Trend line is strongly in place, and we can get another one here. So let me zoom out a bit. So we are here and we are getting a bull candle. So this could have been our buy signal to enter into the market, which would have turned out a great trade, as you can see. So let's continue. So we are here. Here's the trend line, and the market goes up and comes down again to the trend line, and again we get a bullish signal at the same point. This is a bullish candlestick pattern, by the way. Again, we could have bought the pair, although it didn't go past the high here, but again we could have made some nice profit, let's say from 30-40 pips. So you can see how this trend line was much stronger than this one. Basically, that's how you trade trend lines. You wait for price to retrace to them, and you buy near the trend line with a stop behind the trend line. So thanks for watching, guys, and talk to you in the next video.